Hello everyone, welcome you all. We discuss acceptance of a string by FA or DFA. That is, if you are provided with a DFA or finite automata and if it is asked whether a given string will be acceptable by the DFA or not, in that case, how to solve that problem, that we have to discuss here. So for given DFA, first of all, you have to generate a transition table, or you have to create a transition table. So as we discussed in this example, same here also you have to create a transition table. So transition table, here it is given Q0 is the initial state as well as a final state. That is, same state can be initial state as well as final state, and these are the various transitions. So Q0, for Q0, if we provide 0 as an input, it will go to Q1. For Q0, if we provide 1 as input, it will go to state Q3. This is how you have to generate the transition table. Now, after generating transition table, it will be easier to check whether given string is acceptable by the language or not. Here, consider first example, that is 1101. That is 1101. We have to check whether this string is acceptable by this language or not. So to do so, initially the input given will be 1. That is, for Q0, I will write it as Q0 1101. Now you can see this first transition here. If we give input 1 to state Q0, we are going to state Q3. So I am writing here Q301. Okay. You have to check every time in the transition table. Next is, if we give input Q3, 0 to Q3 and the input is 0, we are transiting to state Q2. And next is, if we give input 1 to state Q2, in that case we are going to state Q1. But you can see here Q1 is not a final state. The final state is Q0. So if at the end we are ending at final state, in that case that string will be acceptable. But Q1 is a non-final state, so this string will be rejected. So this is, you have to check whether the string will be accepted by the given DFA or not. Now we'll check with the second string 0011. Okay. So start with Q0 0011. If we provide 0 as input to Q0, we will go to Q1 011. Okay. Now if we provide 0 as input to Q1, we are going to state Q0. That is Q011. Now if we are providing 1 input to Q0, in that case we are going to state Q3. And if we are providing 1 input to Q3, in that case we are reaching to state Q0. You can see in the transition table, Q3 with input 1 is reaching to state Q0. And you can see here Q0 is the final state. That's why we can say that this string will be acceptable. So this is how you have to check whether a given string will be accepted by the grammar or not. One last example we will discuss, 11010. So 11011. Here Q0 11010. Q0 with 1 input will go to Q3 1010. Q3 with 1 input will go to Q0 010. Q0 with 0 input will go to Q1 10. Q1 with 1 input gives Q2 0. And Q2 with 0 input is reaching to state Q3, which is a non-final state. That's why we can call it as this language will be rejected by the DFA. So that's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe this channel if you are new here.